How many is that?
5.
Oh, you get you max. Max.
Tired my arms out. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Size it.
Yeah, you see?
Ready?
Yeah. About to do some pull-ups. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tired. Exhausted. Look at Romain getting money.
The aim is to be super slow.
Nah, I can't. My shoulder. Like army.
This is my PR. The gym is about to close. Oh damn. It's not my PR, I guess. This is 5 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Like 2 more is PR.
I can't be that close. In all of us. Like, I can't do too much because I just killed my legs. Ready?
Yes. Look, 5 plates.
I'm like a time before, so. It's stupid to have the gym close at 7 on the weekend when during the week it closes at 11. I mean, the weekend is when people are off.
Yeah, exactly.
You enjoyed today, yeah?
Yes, I did.
It did. Not too pained up, nah?
No.
It's good, it's good vibes.
But I can't come to work. So.
No work. Oh, damn.
I'm OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy.
Day we hustle, but the night we
OG boy. Know that they ride or die.